What it do, it's your boy, Heavy Crypto, and you already know what it do on this channel. Always find ways to make money with traditional amount of Bitcoin and everything related to cryptocurrency. So if you've been watching videos from this channel and you already know that I've been posting about no ones and stuff like that, because it's a new opportunity that I want you guys to take advantage of. I mean, no one's is actually a good platform to do P2P right now, and I've been receiving a lot of messages. A lot of people been asking me about no ones and stuff like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you one strategy that you can test out and see how much you're gonna make today, not tomorrow. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So right here you can see this is no one's dashboard, and I made a tutorial, a full tutorial on this channel showing you how exactly you guys can take advantage of no ones and how you guys can use no ones. But today I want to show you a new strategy, and yes, of course you're gonna need a bank account and all that stuff. And you know, when it comes to bank accounts, I recommend you guys to use a business account so that you can receive large amounts of money and all that stuff, so that you can also make good profits. But other than that, let's go straight right into it. So as you already know how to create offers and all that stuff, because I told you how to do this on this channel. If you don't know that, just go to my previous video and watch the no one's tutorial. Right now I'm going to show you this strategy that you can apply on no one's, and guys, it works. I mean, many people don't know that about this strategy, because I've noticed that a lot of you guys are simply selling cryptos, right? You simply have to, you know, deposit cryptos to no one's platform, and then you create an offer. If someone wants to buy cryptos from you, they're gonna have to transfer money to your bank account. That's bank transfer, right? But then in this video, we're gonna try to do it vice versa. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna be buying cryptocurrencies. Okay, so you're gonna have to deposit money to another bank account, and then they're gonna release crypto, just like vice versa. And it works out because I've been doing this since last week, and that's why I'm recording this video today, because you know, I always test out all this stuff before I come right here and then tell you what works and all that stuff. So once you create an account using the link in the description below, you're gonna have to deposit some money to no one's, and you're gonna go to where it's written market, okay, and then click create an offer. I'm just gonna, you know, make my pretty face small like this so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so we're gonna go to market and click create an offer. So obviously in this video we're gonna do it vice versa, right? Instead of us sending crypto, they're gonna have to send crypto to us, because we're gonna be buying cryptocurrencies using bank transfer. So obviously we're not gonna buy at the market price. We're just gonna, you know, put it at least 2% or minus 1%, so that we can make profit. So you know, a lot of people are selling these cryptocurrencies using bank transfer. All you have to do is to accumulate a lot of bitcoins as much as possible, because this whole thing is going to be on your favor, because cryptocurrency is going up, and the more you accumulate cryptocurrencies at cheaper price, the more money you're going to make as Bitcoin keeps on going up. So right here you're going to go to this page, say create offer. So basically you already know that we want to, you know, buy cryptocurrencies. We're not selling cryptocurrencies. I made a full tutorial on this channel showing you how exactly you can sell cryptocurrencies. Okay, so in this video we're going to be buying. So basically all you have to do is to click this button where it's written buy Bitcoin, and you know, it says your offer will be listed on sell Bitcoin. So if anyone goes to no one's willing to sell their cryptos, right, they're gonna see our offer, because we want to buy their cryptos at lower price, just below the market price, you see. So you're gonna go ahead and click this button right here and choose the payment methods. We all know that no one's has a lot of payment methods and stuff like that you can take advantage of, but right now we're gonna have to choose bank transfer, because I've got banks in Zambia, I've got banks in South Africa, so you know, I pretty much receive a lot of payments using this bank account. But in your case, if you do not have like bank account, we still have a lot of options here that you can kill it, right? So let's say you want to you want to buy cryptos using gift cards. It also works, right? Because I've seen a lot of people have these gift cards. So basically you're gonna buy it at a cheaper price. I mean, you're gonna buy a gift card, let's say like from Binance at cheaper price, and then you come right here, you sell it for Bitcoin, and you have to make sure that you're selling it at higher price. You know what I mean? So this is just a tip that I'm telling you right now that you can also test it out. You can just go to Binance Marketplace and then you compare, right? And once you do that, you get your gift card, and then you come to no one's and you sell it at higher price, and then you make profits. That's also another game right there. But let's go ahead, and then we're gonna go and click bank transfer, and right here you're gonna have to click hold on, and right here we're gonna have to click bank transfer, as you can see right there, and it's gonna take us to this page. To have to choose our country. So I'm in South Africa right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and search right here South Africa. Alright, here South Africa. As you can see here, South Africa, and currency is gonna change to South African rand, obviously. So if you want real-time clearing, you can click this feature right here, but I always recommend people to use bank transfer straight because it's simple and it's quick. So right here, you're gonna have to accept the terms and condition, and you just have to click all banks, right? Just to make sure, you know what I mean, so that we can do these payments and get a lot of offers. And you're gonna have to click next. Oh, okay, cool. Click next, and here's where it all makes sense. So this is where you can put your margin and stuff like that. So I'll show you right now, right? For you to get a lot of clients, you're gonna have to put at least -1%. Okay, so what's happening is we are buying cryptos at -1%. Okay, this is below the market price. So we are buying a lot of cryptos at -1% using bank transfer, and this is how exactly we're going to make money, because you're gonna make -1% from each and every transaction. So it's not only about like one person, right? In this game, like you are selling it to, I mean, you are buying cryptos from a lot of people every day, 24 hours. You know what I mean? So by the end of the day, you find out that you make approximately like 50% or maybe 70% just by simply doing this. So right here, minimum should be at least like 1,000. This is how I put it, and the maximum should be, let's say like 50k, depending on your capital. So this is how exactly you're going to set your minimum trades and everything. Trade limit should be approximately 30 minutes, and this is my favorite time that I always use. It's not gonna take you 1 hour just to make payments, right? You're the one who is making payment in this case. So you're gonna go click next, and right here you have to click guided trade. I mean, this has to be there, and if you don't want to accept third parties, you can also leave it right there, but I always recommend you guys to accept third parties. Just make sure that you're getting a lot of clients. You know what I mean? A lot of people don't have like bank accounts and verified accounts. That's why they come to this platform to to seek for help. So if you don't want them to to use other people, that's just good thing, right? But this whole thing is just going to be on your favor anyway. So that's why I always accept third-party payments. So I'm just gonna click it like that, and right here we're gonna need a receipt. Obviously we need receipt every time. Whenever we make a trade, we need this receipt. And guys, before I finish up, I just want to show you something crazy that is going on right now. So this is Heavy Crypto University, and this is where you can learn pretty much anything about cryptocurrencies and everything. You know what I mean? I myself been trading in this industry for more than 8 years, and I made a lot of money using cryptocurrencies, and that's why I created this channel, just to share my knowledge and everything and how exactly I make money with cryptocurrencies. So if you want to take your game to another level, I recommend that you check out heavycryptouniversity.online, and this is where you can pretty much learn anything about crypto. And here's a course. This is a course that I put together, and all my knowledge about arbitrage or trading or P2P, whatever you name it, you're gonna find it right here. So you're gonna just click it like that and click preview course, here's exactly you can make payment. All you have to do is to click that button, go to cards, and click this button where it's written pay with crypto, and it's gonna take you to a payment page. And right here you're gonna have to choose any coin that you want to make a payment with, and that's how exactly you make payment and get right into crypto, you know what I mean. But right now let's get right into it. So you already know how. So on this page is not really complicated. So once you do all that, you're gonna have to click this button. We need them to verify their accounts and everything, but if you don't want them to verify their accounts, it's also fine. So therefore you're gonna go ahead and click this button, create an offer. So they're gonna give you a link. You can take this link and send it to someone if you want to make a trade with them using no ones. But once you do this, your offer is created. Okay, so you're gonna find your offer on buy side, not on sell side. So right here you can see your offer is my -1% on the market price. So this is the trade limits and stuff like that, and right here is written all banks. So all you have to do is to leave this offer like this, and when someone view it and start a trade, they're going to provide you with their banking details, and then you're just going to make a deposit to their bank account, and they're going to release crypto to you. I mean, over time you would find out that you have accumulated a lot of cryptos, and you have made a lot of profit. This is kind of like arbitrage, you know what I mean. So you already know on this channel I've been recording a lot of arbitrage videos, but if you want to talk about arbitrage, this is arbitrage, straightforward, no complicated, and this is how exactly you guys can use this strategy to make money with no one. So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys. Just wanted to show you this amazing strategy, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the most profitable channel on the internet. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.